Kitty here, and we're going to be playing some Skywars on the Mineplex. Oh my gosh, and I have the hiccups, so that's great. I have the freaking hiccups. That's great, you know? I love having the oh gosh, man. My hiccups so weird too. Okay, this is going to be a weird episode of Turf Wars because, you know, it's kind of weird when I sound like a dying frog. So let's go. I'm gonna first of all, of course, start off with, oh my gosh, I sound stupid. Okay, or you could just mess up Jeffery for me, that's okay too. I'm just gonna make the Great Wall of Blue. What? Yep. Yeah, the Great Wall of Blue. There we go. There we go. The Great Wall of Blue has been almost completed. Oh, I have one more. We'll fill that in. Boom. There we go. Wow. We're doing good. Oh my gosh. See if I can get some snipes. Boom. Snipped. Boom. Oh, they're getting... Okay, how much turf? If you don't know what Turf Wars is, it's pretty much the team who has the most... who has all the turf in the end wins, and to get turf you have to kill people, so you get one block of turf for every person that you kill. Or not me specifically, but the team kills. So, yeah. So we have more turf currently, so we are at an extreme advantage right now. But, yeah, so it's a pretty great game. Yes. And, I'll break that. Oh, that was cool. I shot him, like around. That's cool. Go. Dang it. Wah. Boom. Oh, dang it. Oh, I'm having the hiccups. It's so annoying. I need to drink water, but I can't. I'm already in the game. I'm already so focused on game. Wow, I'm doing really good on them kills. We're getting all them land. All that land. You know how it is. Getting all that land. Oh, yeah. Oh yeah. Ooh. Girl, you gonna die. Oh, boom. Boom. Oh my gosh. These snipes are real. Oh jeez. Gosh. That was the that was one of the ultra kits that guy just used. Okay, I'm gonna recreate the Great Wall of Blue. No, I must recreate it. I must recreate the Great Wall of Blue. No. No. I ran out of wool. Gosh darn it. Let's go. Who cares? Let's go. Who? Oh, they're getting some back. How are they doing this? Gosh darn it. Ah! Yeah. There's Gamer Carol hacking. Gamer Carol. Kill or much. Gosh, I'm hiccuping. There she is. Gonna watch her. See what she's doing. I didn't look very killory, but I don't know. I'll have to see what people are doing. I'm gonna watch her. I'm gonna make sure. I'm gonna be the hacker monitor. I'm gonna monitor this hacking that you say is going on, but I don't see it so far. Boom. Man, I'm getting some really good snipes in on here. Who? That guy. Oh my gosh, I don't even know. I must be really good at sniping this morning. Maybe the hiccups. It's the hiccups. The hiccups help me snipe. Wow, I'm doing good. I killed someone with my arrow after I died. GG. Okay, we got 11 seconds of combat time before it's time to build again. And okay, yeah, they're gone. It's all over. It's all over for them. Whoop! There we go. Blue won the game with my lucky hiccup. Lucky hiccups, I guess. I hope these are gone by the next round. I'll see you guys there. And we are back, but this time I'm gonna be being Gamer Carol. What are you doing? I'm not sure if she's hacking or not. I can't accuse her quite yet because I haven't seen any. Ooh, this is a cool map. I like this map. Anyway, what was I saying? Oh yeah, I'm the infiltrator, which is I can go on their plot or thing, I guess. Okay, I'm gonna start building the Great Wall. Move it. Redo PvP. You teddy bear. You cute little teddy bear, you. There we go. I'm pretty sure that's pretty. But don't break this. There. That's as big as it can get. It's as big as the wall is gonna get. Thank you, Redo PvP. You're helping. It's gonna make that. I'm gonna go after this person. Wah! Dang it. Oh, I got him. Still got him. Oh, my nose is itchy. My nose is itchy. I think I lost my hiccups though, which kind of sucks because those are my lucky hiccups. Whoop. Oh no, still back. They're still here. No, I'm good. I'm good. I'm good as good can be. Boom. Oh man, I'm got them skills up my butt. Cheek. Skills up that butt. Oh, get scrapped. So many people. Oh gosh, are so zoomed in right now. I can't move. How did that miss me? Come here, buddy. How am I can't move. I'm so slow. Oh my gosh, this is so funny. Oh my gosh, I'm just sitting there sniping them. Oh, hiccups are back. I was so slow. That's hilarious. The fish killed me. Oh man, Mr. Ploward. Ah, hiccups. Why? Wow, it's great. Oh, dang it! I want to kill them, but I can't when they kill me. Okay, I'm gonna like hold my breath and see if I can lose my hiccups. I can't do it. Nope, still good. Good, very good. Very freaking good. Okay, let's build the Great Wall. The Great Wall of Red now. It's not the Great Wall of Blue anymore. Nah, mate. Taint. Aw, dang it. Nah, mate. Nah, mate. Whoop. Whoop. Dang it. Stop it, please. Stop hiccuping, please. Whoa, okay. Okay, he wasn't hacking. He got onto our side and then it pushes you back. If you're not the infiltrator. Come here, buddy. Ah, dang it. They won't even let me get close. Okay, Blue's losing. They were bragging about how they're gonna win, but looks like we're gonna win, to be honest. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. What do you think you're doing? Dang it! Oh my gosh! They're just like really sniping us. But we're still winning, which is weird. Boom. This guy doesn't even know what he's doing. Ah, dang it! Stop sniping me, please. The fish. The fish killed me twice now. This is the fish. Stop it, the fish. Boom. I'm gonna like try to go around, maybe. Oh, dang it! I was so close. So close, but so far. I think my hiccups are gone now. I'm not gonna jinx it, but I think it might be gone. Yeah, I think they're gone. Good. Good and bad at the same time. Because, oh, no, they're back. They're back. They are definitely back. They're definitely back. Okay. I'm not even sure how many kills I got this round. This is a really long round. Because, I don't know why. Why is it a long round? Because, oh gosh. Because we're both chicken nuggets. There, the Great Wall has been built. Oh gosh, I hiccuped again. Okay, boom. Boom. Oh, so close to killing that guy. Oh, he's dead. I want to get a combat kill. I want to get the combat kill. No, I want to get the combat kill. More. Okay, come on. No, they only have 8 turfs left. I want to get a combat kill. Nope. Ah, dang it. These guys, they just don't want me to get a combat kill. Okay, they have 5 blocks left. I'm getting a combat kill whether you guys like it or not. I'm getting one whether you like it or not. Please don't tell me they're going to make an awesome comeback thing. Come on! I just want to get a combat kill or a melee kill. Is it that hard to ask for? Is it really that much to ask for? Oh, did I just... I just got the last kill. Boom. Boom. Last kill. OP. Easy. They were saying that it's so easy to kill us. Well, nah, mate. Red is OP. You can't kill Red. Do OP. I'll see you guys in the last and final round. Welcome back to the last round. Yeah, now I'm gonna be the infiltrator again, because it seemed to be a pretty awesome kit last time. And yeah, this is the only map we didn't play yet, which is just solid ground. So let's do this. This is gonna be exciting. Okay, yep, let's go. Come on, Lol, let's make a giant wall. A giant wall. A gigantic, ginormous wall. I'm sure we'll have the amount of wool we need to finish this wall, depending on how much we have. There we go. There you go. Just keep going over here. Going over here. Come on, I need your help, Lol. We have some space to fill, man. Oh, we got one more wool. Boom. 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 Still have the hiccups, of course. Ooh, ooh. Ah, dang it. They're really killing us. But we have the same amount of, it's tied right now. Oh, 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 Gangnam Style. I forgot I could go onto this side. Oh, that was good. He didn't think I had an arrow, but I did. Redo PvP. He was on my team last time. He was like on my team last time. Hoop, 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 hoop. Hoop, 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 oh, okay. Yeah, I'm dead. Okay, I just need to go get some kills on the combat side. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Wait, one more player. Bog-eyed Billy. We have one more player, so I feel kind of bad now because it's unfair, but they're still winning. So that's kind of sucks. Dang it! I almost killed someone. I didn't kill that person. Someone shot the hawk right before I was about to shoot him. Dang it! People are killing me like it ain't no tomorrow. What does that even mean? I don't know. Okay, they're gloating now. They're gloating. I mean, not gloating. They're winning. Yeah, we are really losing. This kind of sucks a lot. Oh no, the Great Wall is gone. The Great Wall is freaking gone. Okay, let's build a super awesome fort that will help us win no matter what. Okay, you can't really do that, bro. It's kind of not nice. I wanted to kill that guy. He's not being nice to me. Gosh, no, we're being shreked. I cannot get shreked by these people. Boom. Ah, dang it. Trying to kill them, but I can't. Oh no. Oh gosh. Oh no. Oh no. No. Boom. Got more. Okay. They're really. What? Ah, I can't. We don't have enough turf to actually go and murder them. Because we don't have enough turf. Boom. Got one. It's not an infiltrator day. I don't think. Okay, blue's gonna win. Blue's gonna win. They have every. They have a chance. We don't. We have no chance whatsoever. Oh gosh. 6 blocks of turf left. Oh gosh. Did I just kill someone? On my team? Oh gosh. No! So close. But no, we weren't really close at all, actually. We actually weren't close at all. But yeah. That was pretty great. If you guys enjoyed this video, remember to leave a like, comment, subscribe down below. And yeah, like for my hiccups, my amazing hiccups. And remember to comment in the comment section down below, hiccups with an exclamation point, because just why not. So yeah, remember to keep your paws up. I'll see you guys later, and goodbye.